Welcome back to IJMS Painters and Interior Designers. Today we are actually in another part of West London and we are here in a nice one-bedroom apartment. It's very nice. There's not that much wall damage and a lot of the damages are all superficial. But the thing with these type of projects is that once you touch a little area, it's going to be exposed and it's going to show. So wherever we touch up, we're going to have to repaint. So we've decided to repaint the whole flat. Minor defects on the ceiling, few defects along the walls, and we're going to go into the other bedrooms as well. I think there's a little crack that needs to be sealed up. So apart from that, we are actually going to start by protecting the floors, doing a little bit of prep work on the floors, getting rid of all the debris, cobwebs, bits and pieces, and then we start to paint. So keep watching, stay interested. Wow, so it took us a while, but we got there in the end with my trusty Stanley knife and masking tape. So we've protected all the flooring in the flat. The carpet is protected, the kitchen flooring is protected, so any splashes of paint, any bits and pieces of debris is not going to stain or destroy the carpet in any way, shape or form. We've also put all the furniture into the middle of the room and masked it off as well with some nice film, so there's going to be no paint damage or nothing on the delicate furniture. So next step, we're going to be starting on the ceilings and we're going to be doing some cutting in around the walls. Okay, so stay interested. Right, for this painting project, we're going to be using Deluxe, very well trusted paint. So on the left hand side here, we've got our brilliant white. That's what we're going to be using for the ceilings. And on the right here, we have our vinyl silk magnolia, which we're going to be using for the walls, okay? So keep watching, stay interested. Welcome back. So, you know how we do the cuttings of the ceilings, the lighting, the fixtures, everything. You know how we do it now at IJMS. So at this current stage now, we're cutting around the ceilings. We've done the ceiling lighting fixtures. There's not that many, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, there wasn't really that many fixtures on the ceiling. So now all of that is done. Time for the interesting part. Time to paint the ceiling. So at this part, remember, when you're painting the ceiling, try and cover up as much as possible, because we're going to get a lot of splatter coming down from the ceiling. So if you've got hair, cover your face, use eye goggles for safety and protection if you can. Okay, so stay interested, keep watching. Let's do this. And we're done with the ceiling. As you can see from what I look like, this is what can happen if you don't cover up properly. Okay, so the ceiling is done, and now we're into the drying time. We're going to wait for it to dry. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after it has dried, and then the next step, we start on the walls. Stay interested. So, as we're done with all the cuttings in and around the living area, the bedroom, the kitchen, you can see that there's a slight change. Even though we're painting it the same color, you can see there's a slight color change around the sockets, the corners of the walls, and that's basically where we've cut in all the paints. Next step we're going to be doing now is actually painting the walls, and the final step will actually be recutting in against the wall rolling that we're going to be doing. So stay tuned, stay interested, keep watching. And there you have it. The job is absolutely and completely finished. You've been watching how IJMS paint a 1-bedroom flat, and I hope you've enjoyed our methods, styles and techniques. So I'm going to leave you with the before and after. You enjoy the before and after coming up straight after I finish with this. And if this is the first time you're watching our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay interested. I'll see you in the next video.